We are pleased to show you the 2024 Silverado 2500HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, keyless entry, navigation system, stability control, traction control, tow hitch. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.